Hey there, adventurers. Today we're back at Magic Kingdom. Since today we're going to be checking out our first look at Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin. There is some new updates, like some new effects, music, and so much more inside that I cannot wait to see. So, that being said, let's go ahead and have a great day adventure. Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin. This is still in technical rehearsal. In fact, today we are invited out to a special cast member preview. Inside Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin, you have to join Buzz Lightyear on a mission to defeat and stop Zurg from getting his power source. And with this new ride, this is officially opening on April 8th. 2026. Can't wait to see it. Now we have the entrance sign here. Not 100% finished yet though. There's a standby entrance and lighting lane though. Just know this whole area is still under construction. So in here you can spin far around. There's also blasters as well as your score screen.
Alright, you've got the stick. Changes to rock it and roll. Alright, you've got the stick. Make sure Zurg's plans fail to launch. Oh, and out of blast.
We fear no foe, not even these, whatever they are. Excellent maneuvering.
We
I'll bring you in for landing. That was astro-amazing! Great work!
Planetary pilot.
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. Check your dashboard to review your rank. As always, to infinity and beyond.
Push you, Buzz Lightyear! No! Mark my words, I shall return!
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. Check your dashboard to review your rank. As always, to infinity and beyond.
Push you, Buzz Lightyear!
And we just got out of Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin, and now I think that's it. So let me know in the comments down below. Are you excited for Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin? And if so, I'd love to hear your thoughts. As always, till next time, adventurers, thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great day.